The 2026 Fiat Shocks is here, and it's making waves with its bold design and cutting-edge aerodynamics. This is a car that redefines Fiat's design philosophy, blending modern aesthetics with the brand's rich history. Fiat has given the shocks a completely new front fascia. The grille is minimalistic, seamlessly integrating with the LED headlights that feature a sharp, angular design. These lights are not just for show, they provide enhanced visibility while adding to the aggressive stance of the car. Moving to the side, you'll notice sculpted lines that flow effortlessly from front to rear. The aerodynamics of the shocks have been fine-tuned to improve efficiency and performance. Its sloping roofline gives it a sporty, coupe-like appearance while maintaining the practicality of a hatchback. Fiat has introduced striking new alloy wheel designs, ranging from 18 to 20 inches. These wheels are engineered for both aesthetics and performance, giving the shocks a bold presence on the road. Complementing this are low-profile tires that enhance grip and handling. At the back, the 2026 Fiat Shocks boasts a futuristic LED taillight setup. A sleek light bar runs across the width of the car, creating a unified and modern look. The rear bumper is sculpted to enhance aerodynamics, while the integrated spoiler adds a touch of sportiness. The overall stance of the Fiat Shocks is dynamic and aggressive. Thanks to a wider track and lower ride height, Fiat has carefully designed every curve and contour to reduce drag and improve efficiency, ensuring that style doesn't compromise performance. Fiat has always been known for innovative designs, and the Shocks carries this legacy forward, drawing inspiration from classic models while pushing boundaries with futuristic elements. It embodies the perfect blend of tradition and modernity. With its revolutionary exterior design, the 2026 Fiat Shocks is a bold statement in the automotive world. It's not just a car, it's a glimpse into the future of Fiat.